Hi, hello. My name is Benza, and this is my channel. Actually, this is first my long video because I have a lot shorts I post. But it's first my long video in the channel. First but not last. I think it's better because me I'm collecting coins, special silver coins, long time ago. That is my one hobby. Um I like to share with you and to know all what you see in this channel, all the coins. And the video, the content is going to be only about the coins. About for the format for long show, for long video, it's going to be when I receive package like this. I wait this package for long time. When I receive package from all over the world, because I am in the auctions all over the world, and I have another auction groups in the Facebook and a lot auction house websites page when I see one offer or something, and I receive now this package. I wait actually maybe 2 months to come have something issue, some problem. I don't know what is happening. Good thanks God it's come because come with post office, and post office about 1 month is come 2 3 weeks if it's have something problem. But this is inside is more than 1 2 3 4 coins. Is more. I I collect all in one place, and after I told I have trust people there. After they send me, you're going to see unboxing when I receive the coins. You're going to see in this channel when you're hunting the coins, when you're going to some thrift store or some this. They're selling in outside sometimes this marketplace for the coins, and you're going there and maybe you're going to find some treasures. They're going to recording for this channel. And also I have sometimes some old people they call me come in my village. I have some coins, maybe I don't know the value, maybe you give me something for them, and I go it's happening like that, and I don't record and I feel sorry. It's good this hunting, to know and everything, all the coins what you see, what is going to be in this channel, all is for sale. They have one price. Me, I'm not seller, I'm collector, but need little budgeting to hunt more and more and more and more. You understand? For right place, for right price, of course, it's for sale because sometimes I post some coins not for sale. I put, the story, the coins, and I receive some offer is unbelievable. Not the price of silver. If you don't know about this, please don't make some stupid offer because you insult me. You insult everybody. You insult the coins. Coins is going to cry, the coin. Okay, we're starting because you're having a lot history here. Also, me, I forget what coins is inside. I forget long time what coins is inside. Talk. Going to cut this. I don't know how to cut from here. Long time I wait for you. Long time I think I lose you, and I have some valuable coins. Special now the silver is going up. I collect coins from before when the silver is not so hunting. Now everybody want coins, but one for silver, not for the value of the coins. That is the problem. They are hunting for silver, my friends. And too many coins, they're going to be melt about that because of the silver. They're going to melt the coins, and they're going to lose the value, history of the coins. All too many coins going to be melt because problem with the silver. Wow, what? Good to be safe, but we're going to open me now. Tons of tape here. Unbelievable. How I'm going to open, I don't know. Ouch. I'm going to smash all for sure. It doesn't matter. I'm going to smash. I need to open. I don't want to be smashed. Smash it, smash it, smash it. Oh, I see it inside. Oh, I see boxes. Nice. Oh, smell history inside. Smell history. I feel it. when I touch on old coins, I feel it in here. Oh, dun 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 dun. I see one Canada. Canada, I like Canada coins. And one by one, dun dun dun. One by one, surprise, surprise. Yo, 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 surprise, surprise. Oof, oof, oof. After I'm going to check the valuable, all of them, to see how much is. What is this? This inside, nada. Nada, nada. Okay, put it here only to protect something. Okay. This, you are starting with the cheap one after going to expensive one. For what this is the coins inside. Now believe me, I forget what coins. It's too many kinds of coins. Also jewelry silver I buy, but old, you know. Here I have a lot. But I need to check because you not lose some pieces. Wow, really nice earring. I see in the old shops, jewelers, they're selling jewelers, vintage jewelers. Oh, my boxes. Look at my friend. You see that they have damage. Half damage is broke, it's not good. But I buy for silver. Here, look, this stone. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. What stone is this? I don't know. What you do? Oh, open one light here better. To be more light to see it. What do you think, my friends? What about this stone? Is it real? Oh no. But it's vintage, it's very, very old. But where is this silver? I don't see the stones, but it's silver. Can see it's silver, but it's so old, they don't have mark. 95, I think. Look at it, it's so old, not have mark. Where is the camera? Here is the camera. Look at it. So old. I make this with the telephone, this video, that not with the camera. You know, the telephone and the front camera is not so good. Good. One ring. Okay. Wow. One coin what they are putting in the neck. This I don't go put inside. I need to check because it's Russian coins. From maybe it's valuable coins, but they are using to put in the neck. 1909. Look at it. See it? How make to be see it? Look at it. 50 kopeek. 50 kopeek. I'm going to check this. I can cut of this and to fix, I don't know. But put it for checking. Oh, another coin. This is King of Romania. Silver also. 1940. Yo. From the neck also. Or the put to the neck, see it? Oh, look at it. 1940. Interessant. Put the light here. Where's the light? Oh, like that. To see it. Oh. It's going to be a long video. A lot of things here. A ring. Ring. Wow, what the heck is here? But no coins anymore. It's only jewelers, piece of jewelers, some of them good, some of them no good. It's going to silver, I'm going to fix it. Maybe in the future the jewelers of silver is going to be expensive like jewelers of gold. Look, all this, I don't know how much I pay. Maybe 20-30 euros for all this. Oh, silver. Okay. Put it here. I'm going to check after. The silver after. That 2 coins I put separately to check the, like that. Silver after. Now, no, this light is not good. Like that. Now, What is happening in the box, mystery box? Oh, I have a lot of things here, a lot. Oh, another thing, what is this? What is this? Wow. Need to be clean later. Need to be clean, this is the plastic only. Royal Mint. Wow. 1 point, Royal Mint, Cyprus, 1 pound, 90.76. Oh, yeah. This I'm going to clean it later, this, and I will check the value. I put in nice. Now I will check the value. I don't know how much is going to be. This, not silver actually. This is Kuni, I think. Head to summer 1974. It's collectible, this. It's collectible, this, my friends. Leave it here. This for toy. Next. Oh, no. Too many boxes. And too many graded coins, this. Look, what is inside? I don't see nothing. What is inside? Strange. Inside is nothing. Somebody's opened the box here and take it from inside. This was this inside but nothing inside. I'm afraid not to be afraid. Maybe they are putting it here. Okay, I see some coins here. Probably I forget what need to be inside, and I don't put on list what I buy, because I buy from different places and I collect in one place there. Not a problem. This is too many coins here. American coins, good. American is very correct. Oh, Italian coins. Okay. American, Italian coins, a lot. To see it. Those are my friends want to see it. Oh, it's broken already. $1 piece dollar. Oh, piece dollar from what year? But I need to check the piece dollar. I'm going to check after, but for beginning I can check later. Because piece dollar, can make a lot to be fake. Don't like so. Piece dollar from 1922. I still have one of this from 1922. Piece dollar from 19. I have in my collection this already, but I buy another one. Of course, going to be check again and again. I will check. It's looking original, but never know. Looking original, but never know. Going to double check. Wow, one Liberty, my friends, from 45. 1945, one Liberty, but have one issue, small issue here. Okay. Is no mint mark. It's from 1945. Liberty, $50. Okay. Wow, some Germany coins, Nazist coins from 1934. From 1934. They said 1939. Two rate mark from 39. Two rate mark from 39. From 39, my friends. Look at it. See it? All these coins one time or other is going to be present in my shorts. Picture I post, also shorts, all of them one by one. All of them one by one. Another from 37, the same. Germany is all the collection. For 37, Germany, for Germany here, American here. For by the countries. Oh, another. There's 5 of them. This is really good shape. The reach. There's 5 of them different years. 37, this 37, but you know they have A, D. They have also mint mark. This is look one is almost uncirculated. Almost uncirculated. It's unbelievable. Okay, 5 pieces of this. And now I have some Italian, I think. 5 or 6 pieces. How many pieces is this? It's 2, 4, 5. 5 pieces of this 2 mark right. Now some Italian, but what is like that? I don't like how is inside here. They're very disgusting, the plastic. Need to put me some plastic, nice. 500 pounds from, wow, what quality. It's almost uncirculate. From 1970. 1970, you know this 500 pounds. This coins is unbelievable. Look at it. The quality is uncirculated quality. After, when I show these kinds of coins, they're going to tell me, you clean the coins. They are stupid. I don't touch the coins that I receive. If them they clean it, but I don't think so. Because I buy from guys what they are collectors. But look it, I have one here, I cannot take it out. Okay, don't take it out. It's 1,000 pounds Concordia. Concordia is silver. Concordia. 1,000 lire. From Italy. Now I think I finished with the coins like that. Now all of them, they are next in the box or graded. Oh, I have one here. No, graded. Wow, what is this? What is this? This cannot be fake. Maybe it's fake. I don't know. I don't think so. Because of number 70, MS70. Graded. MS70. Liberty 2017. 2017. Look at it. That cannot be this service and PNG. Cannot think it's going to be this copy or something forged. So it have this here. It's a real deal. It's a real deal. Very nice. I've also on Christmas tree. I don't understand why. Eagle 2070. You see the Christmas tree? Everything is for sale, right price. This, take it out. Wow. This again to leave on the end. This very old box, look, but it's nice because the original box collector like that, Canada. And look at all this, smell old, smell nice. Two are from, you see it, you can send, but two are from. Now to open it, this box, old box, what is, wow, what nice, look at it, what nice half shape of the box. Canada, very nice the shape of the box, very nice. You can see it, very nice. And now to open it, Oh, it's moving. What? Not to get scratch. But I'm afraid. Canada dollar. I don't think it's silver. This is not silver. Prince Edward is not silver, but 1973 is some commemorative coins. Elizabeth, but it's not silver. But it smells very, very old. 73, not so old, but it's smelling old. Why? And why is going out from here? This here. Maybe something wrong here. I'm going to damage my coins. Aha, it's wrong. They are putting wrong this here. That's it. Something inside. The coins need to be fast, I think. But how? No. No, by the shock maybe. It's not good because maybe I touch it, but it's not good to touch it with the hands. It's going to damage after. I mean, I don't take the gloves. I don't want to be damaged. History, piece of history this. Look at it. Piece of history. My favorite original look of this here. I don't see some certificate inside, but maybe don't have. I don't know. Have this inside. Put it like that. I don't know how to put it here. And close it. Punk. Punk. Very nice. Very, very nice. Look at it. Wow. And this original. Look what all this. Cara. Original piece. Good. No silver, only this is not silver, but also another is not silver. That's from, but it's not silver to put it here. Also this is not silver, but it's collectible because it's commemorative coins, and that's good. Now, what the heck, from what country is this? Yo. Oh, they fell down on. Why? Wow, New Zealand, but why is opening this here? Don't need to be open this. I'm going to fix. Just broke it. New Zealand, I think have this inside have the silver. I think all the set is. No, it's not silver. This. It's not silver, but it's all set complete. New Zealand, all complete set, but not silver. Look at it. New Zealand coins issued from bank, all complete with all the paper. Souvenir coin set issued by New Zealand Treasury, Wellington. But what year? Royal Mint. Have this. Oh, this is. I've written issue. No, I'm afraid not to. Like that. Have all the paper inside. All the coins is unbelievable. But need little maintenance, and I'm going to do about this plastic, not the coins not untouchable. Look, the coins are 1976 actually. They said all about every coin, all the information, all the papers. But smell New Zealand smell. Smell New Zealand smell. Nice. Not nice, very nice. I like it. When I like it, I like it. When I don't like it, I don't like it, but at least I like it. New Zealand. I think I still have one from New Zealand. Oh, this what the country is. Oh, this is San Marino. But this what country is. Oh, New Zealand, but this is silver, friend, my friends. New Zealand again. New Zealand, but you're having one big $1 silver inside. Proof coin. Wow. This is very good inside. One diamond 19. No, 925 silver. 925 silver. I don't say that many grams, but it's very big, it's huge. And you can see silver from the color. 79, 97.9. Sigillite proof coins, 79 New Zealand, all set. All set proof. And inside is Sigillite proof, the coin, very nice. The big one is silver. With all the collection. 9079. But it's unbelievable what nice is the coin, the big one, and the middle. It's unbelievable. New Zealand finish, and I'm having another one set, but it's San Marino, Sigillatis. San Marino. Not be open, that telephone not is receiving. Oh, not to damage something. San Marino. I have also silver this. I collect only silver, but sometimes I told when I see some nice commemorative with the box with paper. Autonomia de Filatelica e Numismatica, azienda, Repubblica San Marino. Oh, no. Repubblica di San Marino, segretaria di Stato per le finanze e il bilancio. Azienda Autonomia Repubblica San Marino. Going to be open. No, it's more sets here. 88 many papers here. Argento, oh no, more than one coins of argento. Only the big one is argento. This is silver. 88 silver. Very big also. Okay. The big one is silver. 1000 liras, Repubblica di San Marino. 9088, I have one book also, but for what is this book? Have something inside? How I take this book outside? I have also one book inside. With San Marino, maybe what have information, something. Wow. The book is all about the coins of San Marino. It's very big, the book. I don't want to damage the set here. I want to take it out. Maybe it's not good to take it out, the book. But I want to take it out to see it. I don't want to take it out. Oh, I take it out the book. Stay there, my coins. Look at the book. The book, the set including also this. But what is this book? What about? Maybe it's more valuable the book than the coin sometimes, you don't know. Wow. They said the history about every coins in the set. All the history. What represent, how many grams. What is the last one? 1000. What is silver? 1000 silver. 40 grams, 50 grams. Only that. They do the same because it's in Italy. Maybe they don't do the same in wood here. 800. Silver 800 only. It's not 9 to 5, 800 silver. Italian put 800 silver. Another put more big silver. This they put only 800 silver. Okay, nice. Nice collection. I don't know the price, but I need to study the prices. I forget how much I pay. Most of them in the auction, I don't know. Repubblica San Marino di San Marino. The set 1988. 88 setos. Okay. Very nice. This is silver, this is not silver, not to put together, no problem. And now the most expensive coins is now, I think. Still have another 3 graded coins. Nicely, 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 nice. First PGGs, 50 cents. PR 67 from 57, silver for 57, PGS for 57. That's all. This graded number 67 is good. Another is 70. Another one. This is more valuable. PS 70. Next. Wow, I have $1 graded for 23, no 22, 23. But only 63 is okay, huh? MS 63. I think it's okay. I think it's okay, no? Look. Peace dollar. I think it's okay, no? Looking nice. Peace dollar from 23, 1923. Oh, good. And another one. This actually is early release, not fast release, early release. 23, another, how much here is this? 70. Early release, 70 also, 70. That means maximum, I think 70. American Eagle from 23. Graded. American Eagle from 23 graded. Oh, what you said about this? Nice. Oh, nicely nice. Oh, nicely nice. And let's finish the package, my friends. I hope you enjoy. All these coins is going to be posted on the shorts. Nice to zoom, to make with the camera zoom, and post on the channel. You're going to see after. More nice. One by one. Thank you, stay with me, and please subscribe, like, share. It's going to be nice subject here. We are going also to hunting some thrift store, and always when I going to receive the coins, to receive the packages all over the world, I'm going to show you. And one of you, if you are interested in these coins, send me fast on Facebook message or email. I think you can find there also the Facebook, also the email in the description of the channel. I think I'm attached, I don't know. You know what I'm going to attach. If you're interested in one of these coins, first come, first serve. How is first come, first serve. But good offer. Good offer. Because all of them I love already. Even almost is coming in my family, not me now. Think about me, I'm collect the coins I have more than 10 years. And this every week I receive 2, 3. Now, because I have a lot, I'm little try to solve something and I not order too much. Maybe one package is not every week. Every 2 weeks, one package. but this like this is big with too many coins. What more? You are interested, send me message, and maybe you are collector of San Marino, maybe on New Zealand, maybe Italy, maybe you want some Nazist in your life. Germany, silver. All what you need. American, this actually is always American. All of them is American. American, 50 cents. 50 cents. All what you need is here. See you, all the country in the world I have coins from all over the world, but with paper, another now without paper. But this, look at this, what very difficult to find in this. It's not a graded or box, but it's real. And look at it, what quality. It's unbelievable. Unbelievable the quality. Okay, my friends, see you next time with unboxing or with some coin hunt in some marketplace or something.